Johor DAP chief Liew Chin Tong has called on all political forces against UMNO's court cluster to immediately set fair rules ahead of the looming general election. The state opposition leader said all responsible political actors should come to a consensus as to what constitutes fair play when contesting in GE15, rather than allowing this court cluster to set the pace and potentially regain power in the federal government. We do not have to allow a general election to happen according to the court cluster's get-out-of-jail timetable. All political actors and voters should find ways to foil this cluster's schedule, he said in a statement. Liew said what is most important now is for all political forces against this cluster, including UMNO leaders who do not wish to see the return of Najib Razak and Ahmad Zahid Hamidi, to work out a set of democratic rules to ensure fair elections and fair processes governing the formation of the government on election night. The court cluster refers to prominent UMNO leaders, including the party's president Zahid and former Prime Minister Najib, who are either on trial or have been convicted on charges such as criminal breach of trust, abuse of power, and money laundering. Zahid and Najib have been among those calling for GE15 to be held soon, after Umno and Barisan Nasional's convincing wins in the recent Johor and Melaka state elections. Liew said in order to prevent a comeback of this court cluster, all those opposed must come together or risk seeing the nation spiral downwards. Given the bad blood in the past, dwelling on whether or not Pakatan Harapan should work with Perikatan Nasional during the general election gets us nowhere, he said. He said under the current political situation, no one is fully dominant.